Hello friends, welcome back to our Explore You Ever channel. Today we are traveling to one of the most exciting food cultures in the world, Thailand. Thailand is famous not only for its beautiful beaches, vibrant cities, and rich traditions, but also for its incredible cuisine. Thai food is loved around the world for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and perfect balance of taste. In Thailand, food is not just about eating, it is about experience, culture, and sharing with others. Today we are going to explore 3 of the most popular dishes of Thailand that truly represent the heart of its cuisine. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the flavors of Thailand. 1. Pad Thai. The icon of Thai cuisine. The first and most famous Thai food is Pad Thai. Pad Thai is one of the most recognized dishes from Thailand around the world. It is made using stir-fried rice noodles combined with eggs, tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, and peanuts. The dish is flavored with tamarind paste, fish sauce, lime juice, and palm sugar, which creates a perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and slightly spicy taste. In Thailand, Pad Thai is commonly prepared fresh on street stalls where chefs cook it quickly over high heat. This gives the dish its signature smoky flavor. It is usually served with a slice of lime and crushed peanuts on top, allowing people to adjust the taste according to their preference. Pad Thai represents the simplicity and balance that Thai cuisine is famous for. 2. Tom Yum, Thailand's flavorful soup. Next on our list is Tom Yum, one of Thailand's most famous soups. Tom Yum is known for its strong and refreshing flavors. It is made using ingredients like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, chili, and lime juice. This combination creates a soup that is both spicy and sour, with a rich aroma that makes it instantly recognizable. Tom Yum is often prepared with shrimp, known as Tom Yum Goong, but it can also be made with chicken or vegetables. The soup is light yet full of flavor, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. In Thailand, Tom Yum reflects the country's love for bold and vibrant flavors. 3. Mango sticky rice. Thailand's sweet delight. The third dish on our list is mango sticky rice. This is one of Thailand's most popular desserts. It is made with soft sticky rice served alongside fresh, ripe mango slices. The dish is topped with sweet coconut milk, which adds a creamy and rich flavor. The combination of warm sticky rice, cool mango, and sweet coconut milk creates a perfect balance of textures and taste. Mango sticky rice is commonly found in street markets, especially during mango season when the fruit is at its best. This dessert shows how Thai cuisine can turn simple ingredients into something truly delicious and memorable. Why Thai food is special. Thai cuisine is admired around the world for its balance of flavors and use of fresh herbs and spices. Each dish combines sweet, sour, salty, and spicy elements in a way that creates harmony in every bite. Cities like Bangkok are famous for their street food culture, where you can find a wide variety of dishes prepared fresh right in front of you. Thai food is not just about taste, it is about culture, community, and tradition. So friends, that was our journey through Thailand's amazing food culture. If you ever visit Thailand, trying these dishes will give you a true taste of Thai cuisine. Now we would love to hear from you. Which Thai dish do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Explore You Ever channel for more exciting videos about food, countries, and cultures from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.